Are you looking to become a life coach for free, but you don't really know how to get started? Don't worry, I got you covered in this video as we're going to be going over exactly how you can become a life coach for free. Let's rock and roll.
We all win when we all win. We all win when we all win.
Hey there, my friend, I'm Super Sid, the marketing shaman, and I help life coaches and healers make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. And in today's video, we're going to be going over exactly how you can become a life coach for free without having to pay any money for anything like certifications or any other things crazy like that. So, without any further ado, let's go in to the training. All right, so first things first, what is a life coach and why do life coaches get paid in the first place? So a life coach is going to be someone who helps people within one of three core markets, and those three core markets are going to be health, wealth, or relationships. And what we want to make sure that we're doing within these three markets is we are niching down and ultimately looking to help people with a specific problem that they have. So once we look to help people with a specific problem, they are then in turn paying us to not only get help with solving that problem, but also in the speed in which they are going to be getting help with solving that problem just based on the proximity that they might have with us. So ultimately, it's like they're right here and they want to get here, and you as a coach are going to play that guide that's going to help them get to the targets and the goals that they ultimately want to get to. All right, so now we understand exactly what a life coach is and we understand why life coaches get paid. Let's go into now you want to become a life coach for free. What's the first thing that we need to do? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to identify who it is that we are looking to help based on the problem it is that they have. So we identified a niche, and we talked about a niche earlier on in this video. Now that we have that niche, we've identified a problem that prospects are having, we then want to go out there and we want to identify who it is that we are wanting to help. We first start this by identifying the desires that these people have. So they're going to have things like their surface desire and their core desire. Ultimately, desires are going to be like right in front of them that they can get to, as well as those same desires help them get to something else. So your surface desire, which for me would be something like I help life coaches make their first or their next 100K. That 100K is going to help those life coaches get to their core desire, which might be something like they want to spend more time with their family, they want to have more freedom, whatever that might be. But ultimately, those are the two desires we need to identify before we do anything else. And we usually get to that surface desire by asking this question. We ask the question of, if I could just blank. When we ask that question, what we're doing is we are starting to get in the heads of our prospects, starting to identify what the things are that they want right now in their head, so that we can identify who it is that we are wanting to help, what things they are thinking and going toward to start getting that help, so we can be standing right there when they're asking for it, so they can raise their hand and start asking us as life coaches to get help with one of the three core marketplaces that we mentioned earlier in this video of health, wealth, or relationships. Before I go into this next piece of exactly how you are going to be getting paid and ultimately the thing that people are going to be paying you for, ultimately what is called your life coaching offer, I want to remind you to subscribe to this channel. I'm putting out new and exciting videos every single day showing life coaches and healers how they can make their first or next 100K with profitable presentations. Make sure to click that button below and subscribe. All right, so the next piece is now that we have identified the who and the desires, we know exactly who it is that we're wanting to go help. The next thing we need to do is we need to create what's called a life coaching offer. Here at Life Coach Launch, we call this the life coaching irresistible offer that your prospects are going to feel stupid at saying no about or no to. So basically what this is we are looking to put out an offering to people that is going to be an offer that's going to, remember, help them get to that goal that they want to get to. They are paying us usually with this offer because by getting and using this offer, they're going to reach their goal in a quicker time. So when we're looking to put together our offer, a lot of life coaches actually make a huge mistake by actually only putting in their offers an actual singular vertical product that is only helping people one way. Actually, what we want to do in our offers is, yes, we want to have a singular vertical awesome product in the middle of the offer, but then we want to surround that product with things that are answering internal and external objections, as well as giving them a reason to take action now. So answering internal and external objections are going to be answering questions like, can I do this? Or do I have the resources or tools to get this done? While also giving them reasons to take action now, including things like bonuses or an open and closed cart, giving them a deadline that this offer is only available for so long. By doing this, you're going to be adding in some pressure, but also having the people that really feel the pain of wanting to get help with the solution that you are providing to the problem that they have. They then are going to take action on the offer presented to them a lot quicker. All right, so you got your irresistible offer. That's awesome. Now let's go into creating what we're going to do and how we're going to go out there and show people, right, our offer, demonstrate to people how we can help them, and ultimately help people by actually helping them so that we can ask to help them more and ultimately start signing up new people as life coaching clients who need our help and are willing to pay us money to get that help based on what we talked about earlier in this video. So the way we do this here at Life Coach Launch is by putting on what we classify as profitable presentations. And what a profitable presentation is are things like virtual workshops, virtual events, live events, things like master classes, challenges, online summits, and even workshops, things where we can bring people together and we can ultimately help these people that have the problem, right, that we can solve, and we can bring these people together, help them with this problem at that profitable presentation, and by helping and demonstrating how we can help them by actually helping them at this presentation, we're going to be able to lift their emotions by getting them into a yes state, make it then a lot more easier for them to sign up with us so they can continue getting our help, ultimately reaching that goal, right, that they want to get to in the first place. Are you a life coach or healer who's looking to make your first or next 6 figures as a life coach or healer? Well, then I got a free gift for you called my 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, and you can grab that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now in the description. Just click down here in the description and you can grab this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide, which is going to be a 22-page guide showing you how you can go out there and become a life coach and make 6 figures as a life coach following our very simple 3-step system. Make sure to click that link down there in the description and grab your free copy of that 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. And don't forget, we all win when we all win. I choose to win today, and I hope you choose to win by clicking down there below and grabbing your free copy of this 100K Life Coach Launch Guide right now. We'll see you in the next video.